Good morning, welcome back on my YouTube channel, Monday to Monday. This is the first time I'm doing this in English. Today we're picking up my new boat. It's a Dutch cutter, 19 meters and 65 centimeters. The guys are already entering the boat. Today we're going to drive the boat from Harlingen over the Waddenzee to Den Helder, from Den Helder to the harbor where she's going to stay, lay, I don't know. So first we have to put some stuff on the boat, start the engines, check the oil, do everything that's necessary to sail this boat safely, and a lot more. So it's really slippery. Are you okay? Big fun already. I checked the engine oil. It's low. So oil, and we have to wait till the fog clears because we can't go to sea like this. So yeah, it's not working out. Maybe later. Woohoo!
Baila que baila la luna, baila que baila mi amor. Tengo la grande fortuna de estar en tu corazón. Baila que baila la luna, baila que baila mi amor. Tengo la grande fortuna de estar en tu corazón.
Ja, leuk. So, we're out of the harbor. It's to the left of me. It was a little bit tricky, but we made it. Perfect. So it's a bit foggy. If it stays this way, we have to turn around and go back to the harbor we just left, because we don't have a radar. We have IS, we have a chart plotter, but no radar. So that's a problem. So let's see what happens.
Okay.
Yeah?
How are you doing?
Very nice.
Gaat die, Frank?
Ja, zeker.
Mooi. Right, past Saturday it wouldn't work, it was too foggy, so we decided to turn back. As you saw, we put the boat back in the harbor where we came from. Now it's what day is it? Thursday, and we're trying again. Clear weather. I think we're gonna see some sun today, so yeah, I think we're gonna make it this time. We're leaving the harbor right now. It's going really smooth. The old captain of the boat, Willem, decided to come with us, so that's super cool. And well, 5 dudes on a big boat. What can possibly go wrong?
Yo.
Yo bro, we're filling the water tank.
Nice.
How are you doing?
We are fine.
Yeah,
It's-
good.
It is clear weather and we're going for it.
We're almost entering the first lock. Behind this lock is the sea. And you can see the height difference, because I think this is like 2 meter difference in water level. And you can see it on the side of the lock on the green algae. Okay, we're waiting for the lock to fill now. I think it's not started yet. The door's just closed, so probably within a few seconds we're going to see water coming into the lock and filling the lock so that we can go that way. I was completely wrong, because the lock is already opening, no water in the lock, it's low tide, so there's almost no difference. So here we go, perfect. We're on the water, finally bringing my ship, because this is a ship, bringing her home. I own this ship for 2 months now, and we had to wait for the weather and wait for the weather and wait for the weather. In the meanwhile, I did some small things. We cut off the mast, because otherwise we couldn't fit the bridges underneath the bridges. But now she's coming home. So what you just saw is the Waddenzee being completely empty. It is low tide, and behind me you can see the bottom of the sea. So that's the bottom of the sea. We're in a little bit deeper water. It's called the vaargeul, and I don't know the English word for that. Maybe later or it pops up in the screen somewhere now. So pretty cool. The bottom of the sea over there. We're about an hour further in our trip. Behind me the lock of Kornwerner Sand. We're going into the lock. Hope everything is going as it should. Hey chef, what's cooking?
Haha! What's cooking? We're cooking eggs today.
Something funny. We wanted to fry eggs, but we forgot the butter. So we're cooking the eggs now. We got pepper, salt, curry, and bolletjes. Bolletjes. How do you call this in English? Bolletjes.
Tell us in the comments how we call those. We
Yeah.
call them bulletjes. Zeker met die
De hele
containers.
leiding en alles.
Ja.
So we're about two and a half hours later. We're nearing Medemblik. Medemblik is over there. We are not able to make it to our destination because one of the locks is out of commission. So we have to find a place to leave her for the night or 2 nights maybe, and then we continue this on Saturday. First we're going to Medemblik. We're almost going into Medemblik, so mission accomplished.
There's no one but I know those voices. And I didn't know. I felt alive and I was still myself, so I move again. This feels right at home. There's no one but I see those faces in me. Didn't know. I felt alive.
Finally past Medemblik. So we're in the channels. This channel leads us to the harbor where I'm going to leave my boat. We're not going to make it all the way there. We have to wait for one log, and it's out of commission right now. So it's operational not tomorrow, but the day after tomorrow. So we have to wait for that. So we're going to do that log, tie our boat down and go home. And this Saturday we continue this journey for 900 meters because that's all it takes. We're almost there. We're here. That is the lock that is out of commission. Saturday we're going to do the final 900 meters. So, see you then. We are days further. Last Saturday we drove this boat to this spot, and this is the spot where she's going to lie for a long time, probably as long as I own this ship. I want to end this episode here. Still thinking of a name for my new boat, so if you can come up with a name, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.